we are gonna blow up a washing machine.
You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna have to do that whole
Thing again?
Yeah. Hey Aaron, I had it on high frame rate mode when you were filling it up. Yeah. So it cuts the audio off and puts everything in slow motion, so it looks really epic you filling that thing up with all that Tanner in that Dr. Pepper bottle. One of those is gonna hit it. Oh! Yeah!
I can't hear nothing, so.
I can't hear none, kids.
How far you blew it.
Now that's how you destroy something right there.
I got it on drone footage! Oh! Hey, do you mind if we borrow one of your trash bags? And by borrow, I mean keep, because we're going to keep it to get rid of the stuff.
I don't mind at all.
Okay, good, because we're going to need to clean that up, you know. You shot a wheel? Nah. Happy America Day!